Wow, may pouting
okay.
mouth pa siya. Why not? Oh, look at mama. Oh. Oh. Bumababa na sa hagdan. Minsan kailangan i-remind mo sa sarili mo na kalma. Like, kumalma ka. Kasi may tendency na pag, kunyari, ayan. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Yes, okay. Get another, book.
Hindi ko talaga alam. Paano i-expectin ko sa sarili na magpagod na pagod na pagod? Hindi. Meron pa rin akong energy to show up.
Masama pa rin po pakiramdam namin. We're home. Family. Masama pa rin talaga ang pakiramdam. She's not feeling her best self. So, she is, pinagkalpol na namin siya. Pero, hindi ko pa siya nai-inhalan. Yung inhaler. Ito pala yung binigay ng doctor sa amin. Yung may inhaler. Tapos may barrel siya. Or spacer yung tawag dito. Ayan. Ito yung inhaler ni Aliyah. Ayan. So, hindi pa siya fully recovered. Meron pa rin siyang dito kasi hindi nila i-diagnose ang bata na may asthma pag below 5 years old. Tsaka hindi pa siya officially diagnosed. So hopefully hindi naman, pero talagang ma-feel mo parang mabigat yung paghinga niya. So ay nako, mga challenges, pero ano pa ba kakayanin natin, di ba? Yan si Aliyah, oh. Tapos bumili na lang kami ng food kanina sa Marks and Spencer's para hindi na kami magluto ni Andy. Kasi ito, oh, kinakat ni Andy yung isa, tsaka yung jalapeno bites. Dito ako sa nursery ni Aliyah. Come, Aliyah! Uy! You get the glasses of Sisi. Si Aliyah, oh. She's gonna have some inhaler. What did you get from Sisi's room? What? Glasses. You like to be mommy? And Sisi? You have glasses? Very nice. How about the other one?
Then it gets dark, doesn't it? Just when it gets dark.
Do you know? You want to have that? You have your own. Yeah. Oh.
These are yours.
Yeah. Mommy. We went to the Philippines.
Oh, these should fit you.
Yeah.
These should fit you. Ready?
Wow. Oh, see? It doesn't even fall down. Oh, look. Very nice.
You want flowers? You want flowers?
May ano siya. May sakit.
You want flowers? Yeah.
Oh. Very nice. You use that in summertime. Wow. Wow. Moo? May
see
pouting
yourself,
oh.
can you?
Mouth pa siya. I tried to give her this inhaler. Prescribean siya ng inhaler.
Okay.
Ayan. So, itong barrel is, we call it a
Teddy bear.
spacer. So, igaganto niya, oh.
Uy.
Ayan. Kaso ayaw niya.
Let's clean
We
it.
try
quickly,
to
'cause you just got
negotiate
your
with
bogey
her.
on it.
We'll just wait for the water, okay? It's cooling down now. And then we do the... Oh, may paganyan pa siya.
Okay.
Oh,
You wanna
sige.
see?
Yeah. Look at you. There, mirror. Go to the mirror. There.
Yeah,
Look at you in the mirror.
Come here. Look here. Oh, look. Here.
Look at the mirror.
Look. Here. Woo!
Wow. Wow. Very nice. Inuubo si Aliyah. I
Why
think
you got
may
that on?
viral siya.
I'm not against you using this, okay? I'm just saying I do not want my daughter to be in hysterics because when we put this near her, she doesn't like it. Watch.
Mm.
Leah. Leah, come.
Aliyah?
Come. Show
Oh.
show your fans.
let
show your
the-
fans what you're like when we put this near your face.
She put it over.
Yeah, she can do it. Yeah,
How about this, Aliyah?
No, see?
Aliyah, look. How about this, oh? Inhaler. It's for your nose.
Okay.
Ang hirap. It's hard. Oh. Not there, not there. Come back here, Tommy. No, okay. She's waiting for her breakfast, si Ate Lady. But we're still busy, okay? Come on. Can we do that?
Come on. No. Come here. Okay. Put that on your face. Show your fans what happens when it's
Show
near
the
your face.
family.
Yeah, see?
Ay,
No.
no.
No way.
No. No. Why not? Oh, look at mama. Oh. One. Oh, your turn, Aliyah.
But it's understandable why the kids don't like it because it's covering
Yeah.
their face. It's like
Oh, tiger's turn. Oh, how about you? Your turn? Oh, how about you do it to Kalu? Aliyah. Aliyah, do it to Kalu. This, no, that one. She's trying to put it. Wow, look at Kalu. Kalu has a sunnies.
well, at least if you don't want that, you need to learn to cough it out. You're giving Kalu a hat?
Good girl. Okay. Like, okay. Make your tower then. Build your tower. Build your tower. Ang hirap. Hindi lang ako. Ako lang mag-isa pala. Hindi lang ako. Ako lang mag-isa. So, ang hirap kasi yung tatay, ayaw din niya siyang gumamit nito. Kasi ayaw niyang umiiyak siya. Eh ako, kung makatulong ba, di ba? Okay nang umiyak kaysa wala. Pero ang hirap kasi dalawa ang aking kalaban.
Hey Google, what's the time?
1,
It's 7:46 a.m.
ba? 5, 6, 7, 8.
Uh-oh!
Uh-oh. Oh, you build it.
I'm not my toy. What's this? Kaka.
Oh, look at Carlo. She's doing it, oh.
This cat. Oh. Who's this? Giraffe. Okay, after giraffe, telephone.
Come on, Ann.
Yes.
I know. Yesterday it was even green. Come here, my darling.
This is exactly how.
Ready? Okay.
See, you're good. Because it's not as intrusive. Yeah, just keep that there. Oh, shit. You don't fall to breathe.
What's that? Ah, the stamp! I'm gonna throw that away already. Why? Where did you get it?
So she's got such good vision.
She's very like good at details as well. You know when we were at the aquarium, she sees only like the signs.
It's not good, baby. It's just ink. Wash it. It's better if we give her something to watch so that she can just.
Your phone. Tignan niyo ang bata, oh. Oh. Bumababa na sa hagdan. Ayun po. Sliding down. Oh my goodness. Good job, though, for learning that.
Hey, come on in.
Ayun na siya. Nakababa na on her own. See? Hi, lady! Come on, darling. Breakfast time. Oh, look at you.
Up.
Halika na. Come.
A few moments later.
Si Aliyah ay nasa taas. Kasama ni Andy. Ayan. Dinisturb niya yung tatay niya. Para magkaroon lang ako ng konting break. Ay, ang kulit na ni Aliyah talaga. Meron na siyang, kakulitan. 'Di ba kanina, sabi ko no kasi nagdo-drawing siya. Tapos kinuha niya yung pen. Drawingan niya dito. Ayaw niya Andy na nado-drawingan tong sofa namin. Naku. Sabi ko no. Tapos ang ginawa niya, kinuha niya yung frame niya ng picture niya nung baby siya. Which is ito. Kinuha niya ito. Dito. So, nandito siya. Kinuha niya, tapos binagsak niya sa floor. Sabi ko, ay, bongga. Meron na siyang ganong ganap. At 18 months. Kaya, alam nyo, minsan kailangan i-remind mo sa sarili mo na kalma. Like, kumalma ka. Kasi may tendency na pag, kunyari, ayan na, oh my, tapos may kailangan kang gawin, may ginagawa ka, tapos biglang, ito na. Yung kailangan kumalma ka. Kailangan, huwag kang sumabay sa tensyon. Andun siya sa taas. Is she coming down?
Yeah, I can't work because when she knows it's really nice, she's coming to give me cuddles and stuff. But then she sits on the laptop and wanting to press all the buttons and stuff. And got a
Oh,
report-
because I told her off.
I've got a report to write.
Come on.
Oh, what's
Because
happening?
that's exactly what she's doing. She's writing on the sofa. So I said no.
Where's she got the pens from?
Huh?
Where's she getting?
Well, she had a new paint stick. And she painted her car as well, didn't you, baby?
Oh, King Kakana?
So how many no's I have done today, Aliyah?
That. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Clean.
And then when I said no, she got her photo frame.
Okay, and then this one?
Okay, she got her photo frame and drop it on the floor.
Oh, clean. Oh, there you go. Good girl. All clean.
Aliyah, clean the one next to you there. Clean. Clean this. Oh, there, Paul. See? She's telling you.
Oh, there as well.
Yeah, because she painted it.
Papa, you gotta look after your stuff, darling.
Just on the left, your left. This big sofa. There. Nothing?
Ladies there.
Okay, Aliyah? Did you hear Daddy?
Okay, you can't paint things, darling.
Oh, ayan. Nagbabasa na siya ng libro niya. Napagsabihan siya ni Andy. Ni Daddy niya. Oh, basa siya ng libro. Ayan. Sige. Magbasa ka dyan ng libro mo. Hanggat gusto mo. Hinahayaan ko lang siya pag ganyan siya natahimik. I keep quiet too kasi ayoko siyang disturbohin. Ay! Ayan na. Pinunit na niya yung isang page. Ay, good luck. Kaya pag may toddler, talagang habaan mo yung pasensya mo. Pasensya talaga. Tsaka, ile-let go mo talaga. Like, kunyari yan, yung book na yun, wala na. Mababasa pa ba niya yung page na yun? Wala na. So, let go mo na lang. Kasi magalit ka. Anyway. Ay, nako. So, ang oras ay 11:47. Matutulog na rin yan maya-maya. Tara, tulungan natin si Aliyah magbasa. Come! Oh. Ooh, what's that? It's the cow. Alien catched cows in space bundles. Chase is on the case. He frees the cow from the bubbles. Where's the chicken? Can you find the chicken? Yeah. What's the chicken say? Kung 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 kung. Ah. Ooh, what's this? Frogs. And dog Chase. And the snake. What's that? Snake. What's that? The frog. Ooh, where's the turtle? Turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4 baby sea turtles. So the sea turtles are going to the sea to swim. And that's where they live. You've seen the chicken, didn't you? Wow, penguins! How many penguins are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 penguins. You saw penguins yesterday, Aliyah? Yeah, bunny. It's gone. Where's the other page? Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Yes, okay. Get another book.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, time check, 3 p.m. Hindi pa tayo nagla-lunch. Kasi sobrang clingy ni Aliyah. Ayaw niyang magpababa. Kakain lang ako kahit ayaw ni Aliyah na magpababa. Nabanggit ko ba sa inyo na galing kami sa A&E noong Sunday ng umaga? So, aside yung sa A&E namin nung Sabado, nag-A&E ulit kami nung Sunday. Nag-A&E means emergency. Yun. Pero okay yung observation niya noong Sunday. Kaya pinauwi nila kami agad. So, buong araw kahapon, hindi pa rin okay si Aliyah. Pero ngayon, medyo mas kalmado na yung paghinga niya.
Someone at the front door.
Dumating yung test ko namin. Saan na ba? Kain na tayo. Naibaba ko si Ali. Pagbaba ko sa kanya, tulog ulit siya. So, kain na tayo habang tulog. Tsaka bread. Gusto ko ng bread. Bread and yun? Butter. Then, sana magtuloy-tuloy muna yung tulog ni Aliyah. Maayos ko tong grocery namin.
Ang hirap from 12 to 3. Tulog pa rin si Aliyah at 3:20 na. So, from I think 12 to 1:30 kami tulog. Ako din. Buti nakatulog ako kasi pagod na pagod talaga ako in the last 5 days. Hindi ko nga alam kung saan nanggagaling yung lakas ko eh. Saan nagdadasal ako na. Sabi ko, Lord, saan nanggagaling yung lakas ko? Dahil hindi ako nakatulog ng 2 gabi. Ako pa nag-aalaga kay Aliyah. Ako pa nagmamanage ng bahay. Nagdadasal ako. Sinasabi sa akin ni Lord na parang may naririnig ako dahil sa akin. Kung may paniniwala kayo katulad ko, maintindihan niyo ako. Hindi ko talaga alam. Paano expected ko yung sarili na mapagod na pagod na pagod? Hindi. Meron pa rin akong energy to show up, to do my job as a mom. To look after the people around me. I don't know where the energy is coming from. So, yun yung pina-remind sa akin na pag nagdadasal ako na dahil sa akin, just believe. Yun yung sabi sa akin, kakayanin mo yan dahil I'm here. So kanina, naiyak na naman ako kasi I feel sorry for myself. Hindi ako makaihi. Hindi ako makakain. Kasi si Aliyah sobrang clingy na. Wala, dinala ko siya sa CR. Nag-CR kami dun. Ako. Karga-karga ko siya. Si Aliyah kasi, hindi ko yan trinain sa crib niya. So, ayoko yung umiiyak siya. Naiiwan mo siya doon. Hindi ko kaya. Anyway, guys. Kumakain lang ako. And mamaya mag-aayos na rin. Mag-aayos na rin ako ng mga grocery namin.